Good morning, kids. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Today we will know about the flags. Children, do you know why we salute our national flag? Yes, to show that we are loyal towards our country, right? As it describes the authority of a nation, representing and symbolizing a country. And every country we see has got a specific flag as their national symbol. So, in this chapter, salute, you will observe the flags of few countries. Here they are. Children, when we observe these flags, we see one thing is common among them, isn't it? They all are rectangular in shape, right? Now, let me explain you the way to identify these flags. Before this, I would like to share with you that the only country we find it has a triangular flag is Nepal. Now, let me tell you something about this first flag, which belongs to Argentina. It is a South American country famous for the football team. You all might be knowing it. It is a horizontal stripe band with equal stripes. It means three colored it is, with light blue top and bottom and a white strap with sun centered on the middle. Now the second one symbolizes Cuba, which is a North American country. It has 5 alternating stripes, you see. 3 are blue and 2 are white. All stripes are equal. It also has red equilateral triangle with equal sides, right? At the hoist side. Children, the hoist side, the edge used to attach a flag is called a hoist side, and the opposite of that is called fly side. Remember that. And it has a equilateral triangle with 5 pointed white star in the center of it. Now let us come to the third flag. It is a North European country, Denmark. The flag is red in color with white Scandinavian cross that extends to the edges of the flag. The fourth flag is the Egyptian flag, which is officially known as Arab Republic. It is tri-colored with equal horizontal bands of red, white and black. It bears Egyptian national emblem in the center, which you are seeing here is a well-known bird, that is eagle. The fifth flag, this one belongs to European country Greece. It has 9 horizontal stripes of blue alternating with white with a cross in the hoist side. And the sixth one is the European country again beside Greenland, that is Iceland. It is blue with white and red cross that extend to the edge of the flag. The seventh flag you see here is a North American country flag, Jamaica. You all might be knowing Jamaica. It is famous for its beautiful beaches and majestic waterfalls, children. Now its flag consists of a diagonal. This cross, you call it diagonal, was crossed with 4 triangles placed side by side. The cross diagonal you are seeing, it is golden in color. Top and bottom triangles given are green, whereas the side ones are black. That is fly side, we can say. Fly and hoist side are black triangles. The 8th flag you see here is an African country flag called Kenya, which is, you might be knowing, Kenya is very famous for its classical savanna safaris. It is also again tricolored flag like India, but colors are different, with black stripe at the top and green at the bottom, and the center one is red band. White edges are imposed with red, white and black missile shield. The shield you are seeing in the center. And the last flag, it is an Asian country called Malaysia. Its flag is also called Malaya. It is composed of field of 14 alternating red and white stripes. If you count them, there are total 14, red plus white, and a crescent along with 14-point star beside it. I hope the flag chapter, salute chapter is clear to you all. Please revise it once, children. Thank you and have a nice day.